throttle.
Drop my thumb.
You'll be alright. Just kind of hit the throttle. Just squeeze it. Just bap, 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 bap. There you go. See how it's free?
Yeah.
Okay. Do the other side.
Okay.
Drop the radiator.
Am I just holding it and you're dropping it?
Maybe.
I guess.
Yep. So you pull these. Nope. Drop it.
You had it.
I didn't pay for it. I haven't bought it yet.
Yeah, you're paying me back.
Not if it leaks.
Then you're gonna switch it out with another one.
Nah.
Yeah. What?
You're killing me, Jay.
Why?
You're not lined up. You're not lined up.
And it won't go through because here's that is under it here.
Now I'm going to pull them back out and make you put them in using a ratchet.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That'd be fun.
How do we get this back in?
Very carefully. There's a bolt hole here.
Oh.
Yeah, I said there's a butthole.
So does that mean?
It's a butthole. Lick my wounds.
No.
Lick my wounds.
Tell Mom that, not me.
Lick my wounds.
No.
You don't know what lick my wounds means?
He's bleeding.
Have you never watched a dog lick its own wounds? Both of them?
Is it working?
Nope.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do nothing. You're gonna fix it.
Nah. You get it?
Not yet.
Does that go in the thingy?
Yep. Goes in the thingy.
Look at that.
Goes in the thingy.
Look at the little thing right here.
That little thingy. Goes in that little thingy.
Is it high or is it in place?
I don't know. I'm giving up on your vehicle.
No.
You have to take over.
No.
Yeah.
No.
It's your car now.
It's my
Good luck.
car. I'll fix it.
Good luck.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Fix it.
See, more than just the 2 screws?
Okay. You gonna put it together?
I don't know, am I?
Yeah.
Well, I forget which one goes where. It was this thing you used. I don't know
What's this called?
I don't know.
What'd you call this?
Thingy, the baby thing?
The skinny thing?
Yeah.
As opposed to the shallow?
Yeah, whatever. What?
Nothing.
What thing?
Nothing. Looks golden to me.
That's what moving, so.
Golden showers everywhere.
What?
What? Yep. Give her her phone back. She's too busy for us. You got dirt on your face. Right there.
Stop. You're mean. I'm gonna wipe my hand across yours.
Ooh. I thought it'd be a good time. Bam, this is all back in. Put your cover in. What's this? What is it? Cover thing. What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What's this? What's this? Think this has something to do with your hood? Think it's like a hood latch?
Whatever.
Whatever. It's not called a whatever. Maybe. You're good.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Billy.
What?
Attack of the yellow covers.
What?
Attack of the yellow covers. Alright. The rest should be easy.